Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing for you some stuffed cheeseburgers. Yes, stuffed cheeseburger. So keep watching. Stuffed cheeseburgers. They're gonna be delicious. So keep watching. To Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm making some stuffed cheeseburgers to go along with the buns I made the other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and toast my buns in the skillet here. Go ahead and get that out of the way. And then I will start on my hamburgers. Okay, I have toasted the buns there. Okay, toasted the buns. Now I'm gonna test the meat to make sure it has enough seasoning in it, and I will go over what I added into the hamburger piece, and I'm gonna cook it and taste it to make sure it's got enough seasoning in it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and test the burger to make sure it has enough seasoning in it. And that's what you want to do. That's a delicious taste. I seasoned everything about an hour ago, and it tastes delicious. I have 1 pound of ground turkey, and this is what I added to the meat. 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of Adobo all-purpose seasoning, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Go ahead and form my burgers. I'm gonna have add some cheddar cheese in the inside of the burgers. These are stuffed burgers. Let me go ahead and do that. You wanna go ahead and divide the meat up in half, and that's what I did. And then you're gonna break it in half again. Okay. And you're gonna start forming your patty. You know, kind of spread it out thinly. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the cheese in the middle of the burgers. So I'm gonna do all of them. Just kind of fan them out. Okay, that's 2. And there's the other one. Okay, so when you cook burgers, you want to try to season them at least, and you can season the turkey meat and just set it aside for like 30 minutes so that the seasoning can go all the way through the burgers, and it really tastes much better. Now, let me go ahead and add the cheese. I'm gonna add some on the tray here. And I'm gonna take each patty. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on again on medium high. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheese in the inside of it. I'm gonna try to close it up. Okay, let me turn this on. another one here. Cheese in there, and go ahead and close it. And then you want to kind of form your patty. Got one more here. Okay, I'm going to add this one to the skillet. And let me wash it. I added 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to the pan. Smells so good in here. I added some mustard and mayo to the sandwich. And now I added some lettuce, mixed lettuce to each sandwich. And now I'm gonna add the patties with the burger. The cheese just oozed out of it. Oh, it looks so good. I can't wait to eat this. Okay. And I got 2 more in the pan over here. But these look delicious. And let me get these are my homemade burgers and buns. They look delicious. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.